Happy birthday to
What's up guys, Back YouTube tayo tol. So, nandito tayo dito sa hotel.
Happy birthday to you. Ladies and gentlemen, please welcome our 50th birthday son, the Golden Girl Memorial. Once again, ladies and gentlemen, let's sing happy birthday.
Para hindi tayo na 15.
Ladies and gentlemen, can we give a resounding round of applause for the 50th birthday celebrant Memorial? Ladies and gentlemen, before you take your seats, once again,
Mahalaga sa akin talaga para hindi tayo yan.
Thank you very much, ladies and gentlemen. You can go ahead and take your seats. But before we start our program, let me ask our birthday celebrant ma'am, na-surprise ko ba kayo?
Pero
Sa akin, Ayan, so how does it feel to have all of your family and friends with you na hindi niyo po alam na pinlano nila yung celebration ko for you? How does it feel, ma'am?
so yun lang papa-anhat sa kanila yung mga birthday yung parawan. Pero ganda.
Once again, kami po natin palakpakan ng ating celebrate all of the imagination. And thank you po sa mga anak, sa mga kaibigan, and the loving husband who made
Yeah, what's up guys? Back YouTube tayo tol. Yeah, nandito tayo ni para masaya.
Thank you very much, Marjon. And last but not
What's
your
up?
eyes.
Yeah.
Close your eyes.
Oo, tol.
No coaching. Uulitin ko po. Dito po ako mababantay sa TV. Ako bawal mo mag-coach. Kailangan po nakapigil. Uulitin ko po ang pegal.
So, yan, mga utol.
Kailangan po hindi sasabihin yung action. Bawal po nakapigil kasi bumulong. Kung makain yung gawin mo gano'n. Bawal po yun. Kaya bawal po magsalita, bawal pong tumila. Magkatin man o hindi. Yun po ang telepathy challenge. Kumbaga, dapat pareho kayo ng iniisip para pareho kayo ng ginagawa. Okay? Again, ulitin ko po, mag-iiba na po ako ng category. Okay? Mag-iiba na po ako ng category. Please, wala pong sisilan. Okay? Yun po yung mechanics sa ating game. Pigil po tayong lahat. Ito na po ang ating round 1. Pigil na po tayong lahat. Round 1. Give me the same action for swimming. 3, 2. Swimming. Swimming. Okay. Magpapareho po silang tatlo. Okay, so 1 point will go to Team B. Okay. 1 point for Team B. Okay, please close your eyes for round 2. Get ready. Round 2. Ito po yung po, huwag po kayo magbago ng action. Pag makapili na po kayo ng action, okay? For our second round, give me the same action for nag-gym. Pikit po tayo lahat. Pikit po.